Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make shrimp and salmon with a tomato cream sauce.
Hey guys! My family absolutely loves seafood, and when I made this creamy shrimp and salmon the other day, they were over the moon. It's a combination of shrimp and salmon cooked in the most delicious velvety cream sauce. So let's get started.
Begin by seasoning 1 pound of salmon and 1 pound of peeled and deveined shrimp with salt and pepper. I love this recipe because it combines both of our favorites, shrimp and salmon. My older son loves the shrimp and my 2-year-old loves the salmon. Although the little one may be allergic to shellfish, he had a bite of a dish containing different types of shellfish and he broke out in hives. So I gave him the salmon when I made this dish and he was happy. Heat oil in a pan over medium-high heat and sear the salmon. Turn and sear the other side. This will take about 3 minutes per side depending on the thickness. Remove salmon and set aside. Add more oil to the pan and sauté the shrimp. My husband and son can seriously just inhale shrimp. I always joke that he gets his money's worth during all those all-you-can-eat shrimp specials at Red Lobster back in the day. Although I think it contained more breading than actual shrimp. Once the shrimp is cooked through, remove and set aside. Add 5 minced garlic cloves. Sauté for about 30 seconds. Then add 3 diced Roma tomatoes. Cook until softened. This will take about 3 minutes. Once the tomatoes have softened, add half a cup of chicken broth, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Bring sauce to a boil and let simmer over medium heat for about 3 minutes to thicken. You guys are gonna love this sauce. It's so rich and flavorful, especially spooned over some rice. Once the sauce has thickened, return the salmon and shrimp back to the pan and cook for another minute. You can pair this dish with a glass of wine for date night, and I guarantee your spouse will love you a little bit more. Or you can make it for company or just for fun, like we did today. And don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I love seeing all your creations. It looks so good, I can't wait to try it. Like I mentioned earlier, you're going to need some rice to pour over with this yummy cream sauce. If this doesn't look good, I don't know what does. I know my test tasters are gonna be thrilled. And here they are.
Cheers! How is it?
Yum.
Yummy? Yummy, Bradley? Well, if you guys love seafood, go ahead and check my other videos out. I have a ton on shrimp and salmon. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.